everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can log into your tagged account. So without any further ado, let's get started. You can easily log into your account using the email address and password you have set while creating the account. So first of all, open your tagged application. Enter your email address on the first row. Enter your password on the second row. Tap on Login. And that is how you can easily log into your tagged account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming video.